Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Bitget to Bitget Wallet. Alright, so make sure you're on the Bitget application. Simply open the Bitget app, head to the assets at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the overview, click on withdraw, and then simply use the search to search for Ton. So click on Ton and select on-chain withdrawal. The network has been entered automatically, so you're going to provide an address, a tag or memo, which is optional, and a withdrawal amount. The minimum withdrawal is 0.8 Ton tokens, and there is a gas fee of 0.02 to withdraw. Now minimize and get all of these details from your Bitget wallet. Once on the Bitget wallet, click on the deposit icon. Use the receive again for depositing digital assets. Click on receive. Use the search at the top of the screen to search for Ton. Click on Ton mainnet. Copy the address, minimize and open up Bitget. Paste the address you had copied there. And then for the tag or memo, we're not going to be putting anything as we do not have a tag or memo for the Bitget wallet. And then enter the minimum withdrawal, which is 0.8. And then simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you successfully withdrawn your tokens from Bitget to the Bitget wallet. And if you open up the Bitget wallet and perform a reload here, you'd find it. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you give it an answer.